Hello and welcome to a new lesson: meaning, definitions, and types of journalism. Let's discuss the topic. The first one is meaning of journalism. At its core, fundamentally, journalism is the discipline of verification. Journalism is the area of verification, investigation, to analyze the facts, to come to know the truth. Next, it is the activity of gathering, collecting, assessing, analyzing, creating, making, and presenting news and information. We have the next point. Unlike other forms of communication like advertising or PR, public relations, journalism places its highest value on truth and public interest. So, truthfulness is fundamentally in the center, in the heart of journalistic esprit. We continue. It is often referred to as the fourth estate because it acts as a watchdog over the government and powerful institutions, ensuring accountability. So this is basically, fundamentally, the meaning of journalism. Now we move on to the next stage of our discussion, that is, please support by joining the channel. Your financial contributions are greatly appreciated and truly support the cause I stand for in promoting self-learning. By becoming a member, you will gain the opportunity to delve deeply into subjects such as linguistics, literature, and other fields of knowledge. Our members-only videos are recrafted to simplify the complex linguistic concepts. Thank you for your support. Now let's discuss the current topic. Definitions of journalism. General definition of journalism. Common definition of journalism. What's that? The activity or profession of writing for newspapers, magazines, or news websites, or preparing news to be broadcast. We have the academic definition of journalism. What's that? The production and distribution of reports on the interaction of events, facts, and ideas that shape the world with a greater degree of accuracy, with a greater degree of truthfulness. We continue our discussion. Philosophical definition of journalism as given by George Orwell. What does he say? Let's see. Journalism is printing what someone else does not want printed. Everything else is public relations. We have the last one. Professional definition of journalism by Kovacs and Rosenstiel. What's that? The primary purpose of journalism is to provide citizens with the information they need to be free and self-governing. So these are some of the best known definitions of journalism. We move on to the next stage of our discussion, that is types of journalism. Types of journalism do not fit into one size at all, into one spectrum at all, into one viewpoint at all. It is characterized by the medium, the content, and the approach. And what do we mean by medium? How it is delivered. The content, what it is about, and the approach, how the story is told. So we can categorize journalism into these three different categories. We continue our discussion in the same spirit. Types of journalism. Broadly, journalism falls into one of these two broad categories. What are they? The first one is hard news, and the second one is soft news. What is hard news? Timely news of widespread events. It relies on facts and immediacy. Any news, any event that is of immediate concern to the people, this falls under the category of hard news. It may be about politics, it may be about war, it may be about many other social events. Soft news, news or opinions that focus on human interest or lifestyle. It is less time sensitive. So soft news is all about opinions, all about ideas, all about your way of saying, your way of preparing the news, which shape the mind of the audience. It is evergreen. It is not time bound. It is not of immediate concern. It has lasting impact on the thinking and behavior of the public. We continue our discussion about the same types of journalism through content and purpose. We have investigative journalism, opinion or editorial journalism, political journalism, business or financial journalism, sports journalism, arts and entertainment journalism. These are some of the major categories as far as the content and purpose of journalism are concerned. What is investigative journalism? It plays the role of a watchdog. This involves in-depth research to expose corruption, crime, or wrongdoing that is being concealed, that is being hidden, that is being not made known to the public. We have the next, opinion or editorial journalism. Subjective writing that expresses a specific viewpoint, or rather than just reporting facts. So, editorial journalism is all about your subjective expression, subjective viewpoint of an event or of a situation. This includes columnists, reviews, and editorials. Sometimes you may agree with the editorial of the news, editorial of the newspaper, magazine, or sometimes you may disagree. It is up to you because this is very subjective. Then we have political journalism. It focuses on government, policies, elected officials, and the political process. We continue. Business or financial journalism. It tracks the economy, stock markets, and corporate behavior. We have sports journalism. It covers athletic competitions and various types of sports events. And then we have arts and entertainment journalism. It is about reviews and reports on movies, music, literature, and entertainment industry. So these are some of the most important types of journalism through what we call content and purpose. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye. The channel caters to the academic needs of those students who have opted for English language and English literature as their compulsory courses of studies at the graduate and postgraduate levels. The channel also provides the educational needs of students in media, economics, computer and medical sciences who have selected English language as a mandatory course at the graduate level. It also offers valuable teaching resources to university lecturers and professors. Utmost attention is paid to design lessons after extensive studies from diverse authentic sources. If you find the videos valuable, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Your engagement is crucial in the manner I conduct research and put forth efforts in preparing the lessons. Thank you for being part of our learning community. Let's achieve academic success together.